with sites in Stonehouse, Windsor, Haddenham and Basildon. Note UK is a leading end-to-end contract electronics manufacturer, turning product ideas into reality. We aim to create competitiveness for our customers by delivering solutions with a focus on the right quality, at the right time and at the right price. From prototyping and NPI with production engineering support to volume manufacturing and after-sales support, Note offers complete contract electronics manufacturing solutions. As part of the Note Group, our network of sites offers scalability and support across Europe and Asia. This, together with our global sourcing and local purchasing strategies, allows us to deliver the optimum value to our customers. Our value chain starts with concept. The journey from idea to design to new product introduction needs to be efficient and effective. Note's experience and professionalism helps ensure customers' designs are optimized for volume manufacturing within the project deadlines. The second core component of our solution is supply. What we mean by this is that Note's end-to-end manufacturing includes material sourcing and procurement, prototyping, and volume manufacturing. We manage complex supply chains, people, equipment, and factories so that our customers don't have to, leaving them to stay focused on ideas, products, and markets. And finally, support, customer service wraps around every part of what we do. We understand that our work does not end with manufacturing. With no two customers being the same, Note will tailor delivery and support solutions that meet your fulfillment and logistics requirements. Why not visit us on our superb new website to find out how we, as a leading end-to-end manufacturer, can turn your product ideas into reality?